Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix John Carpenter's toxic Commando game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Now in the launch options type -DX11 first. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, again go to game properties. This time type -D3 D11. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to game properties and this time type -DX12. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to game properties and then remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next fix to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next fix is to run the game from the game installation folder. Run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now open the client PC folder, root folder, bin folder, PC folder. Now here we'll find the John Carpenter Toxic Commando exe file. Double click it to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark. Run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If that doesn't work, then check mark disable full screen optimization option and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for from here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Now click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive. Open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder. Now open the John Carpenter Toxic Commando game folder, client PC folder, root folder, bin folder, PC folder, and here you will see this John Carpenter Toxic exe file. Select it and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, click on allow another app. Click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, common folder, open the John Carpenter's Toxic Commando folder, client PC folder, root folder, bin folder, PC folder, and select this John Carpenter Toxic Commando exe file. Click open, then click on add. Now in my case it is already added. Here it is. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark, then click OK to save changes. Then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Commando, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. And then you can check. Or you can also simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Next fix is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to this Intel website. Links are provided in the video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, here you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select your Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on View. Now click on Download button. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on Agree and Continue and then select Custom Advanced option. So check mark Custom Advanced option and then hit on Next. Then tick mark Perform a clean installation box and then hit on Next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Next fix is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. Once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 and x86 version. You have to download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. And if you see repair button, then click on repair, and if you see install button, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install button, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to install DirectX. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is given in my video description. And once you're on this website, click on download and then run this exe file and then install the DirectX on your PC, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next fix is to disable overlays. So disable game overlay Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Now turn off enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. You can disable Discord overlay, disable game bar overlay, disable NVIDIA overlay, open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience, settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Click on add desktop app. Then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the John Carpenter Toxic Commando game folder, open client PC folder, root folder, bin folder, PC folder, and then select the John Carpenter's Toxic Commando exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it. And next to GPU preference, select the high performance and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next fix is to delete the John Carpenter Toxic Commando save game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress, so keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, then open the app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, show and check mark hidden items, and then you can open the app data folder, open the local folder, and here look for the saber folder, open it, and here you will see Toxic Commando folder. So right click on it first, then copy it and then go to desktop and paste it. After keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the taskbar Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. This is the last solution. If none of these solutions work for you, then just uninstall John Carpenter's Toxic Commando game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve John Carpenter's Toxic Commando game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.